In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice search icon on Google Chrome. If that little microphone is missing from your Google search bar, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring it back and make sure Chrome is set to listen when you need it. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. On the Google homepage, look at the search bar. If you already see the microphone, you can tap it and start using voice search right away. If it's not there, we'll adjust a few privacy and device settings to make sure Chrome can access your microphone correctly. Head to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. Choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings page, look at the left side and select Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls that affect what sites can do, including using your camera and microphone. Next, open Site Settings. This page groups permissions by type. Scroll down until you find Microphone and click it. You're now in the place that controls which microphone Chrome uses and whether websites are allowed to ask for access. At the top, you'll see a drop-down for the microphone device. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. This might be your laptop's built-in mic or a headset you've plugged in. If you're using an external microphone, confirm it's connected before you choose it from the list. Picking the wrong device is one of the most common reasons voice search doesn't appear or doesn't hear you clearly, so it's worth double-checking. If you switch devices later, you can come back here and change this selection anytime. Just below that, turn on the option that says Sites can ask to use your microphone. This lets trusted sites, like Google, prompt you for permission. When you get that prompt, choose Allow so the site can hear you for voice search. If you prefer being prompted each time, leaving this setting on is ideal. Once those settings are in place, open a new tab and go to google.com. The microphone icon should now be visible inside the search bar. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page to make sure your changes take effect. Click the microphone, speak your query clearly, and you're good to go. That's all you need to enable the voice search icon in Chrome. Thanks for watching and enjoy hands-free searching.